Number 1. Set up Instagram Shop. 130 million people tap on the Instagram Shop button every single month. If 1% of those people bought a product from your business, you'd have enough money to retire in Fiji. If you haven't taken the time to set yourself up as an Instagram shop, you're missing out on appearing on the shop feed and selling directly to your customers from the app. With the Instagram Shop button, you can tag products in your store, host a catalog on your profile, use call to action buttons, and much, much more. Instagram is throwing your business an alley-oop with this feature. If you want to see if you're eligible for Instagram Shop and how to set it up, you can read this blog post here. Number 2, use video to grow your account. This year, IG Reels will be a favored way to grow your account, and ManyChat doesn't want you to miss out, especially if you're an e-commerce business. If you're not using video to share your brand story, advertise your business, and promote positive customer stories, you're leaving money on the table. No thanks. Video content and advertisements are a powerful way to demonstrate your product and share the problems that you solve. If you have an Instagram Shop set up, tagging your products in your Reels is a genius way to expand your reach and get your products on the Explore page. Magnificent. By the way, aren't you watching video right now to learn how to expand your business? Your customers could be doing the same about your product. Funny how that works, right? Number 3, generating leads through Instagram. In 2022, contact information is currency for your business. If you're not using Instagram to gather emails and phone numbers from your customers, you're holding your business back. Wow, this picture got 500 likes. Wait a second, I'm still broke. There are a million ways to generate leads from your Instagram, from product giveaways to partnering with micro-influencers and much, much more. Making lead generation a main goal of your Instagram strategy is a great way to engage your customers and build a long list of people you can resell and upsell to again and again. You can check out this blog post to see specific strategies that you can use to turn your Instagram followers into customers. Number 4, using DM automation. If you're a business that gets a lot of engagement on Instagram, you're already familiar with the pain points that you have. Once your business starts getting engagement on Instagram, you have a whole new set of problems. Lack of time, primarily. For large businesses, responding to every single customer who contacts you might be impossible. And waiting too long to respond to people who message you is basically throwing money out the window. Get out of here! That's why DM automation for any e-commerce business is an absolute must. DM automation allows you to scale authentic conversations to all of your customers on autopilot. You don't have to spend all day in your DMs to engage with hundreds or thousands of your followers. Big accounts are already using this technology with massive results. Olympia Home is one of the largest homeware e-commerce stores in Italy that use ManyChat DM automation to generate 30% more leads and 50,000 euros in revenue in 1 week. To launch a new product line, Olympia Home prompted users to DM them a rose emoji. Seems simple enough, right? This simple rose emoji triggered a conversation that helped this e-commerce brand deliver results, all on autopilot. This is just one way customers have used ManyChat to grow their Instagram and sell more products. If you want to learn more about these tips or other e-commerce tips, head on over to manychat.com today.